These towers are so neat.
It has this problem of sticking in neutral and not being able to pop into one. It's this weird thing about the bike, and I've heard it on other forums. It was really quite annoying. I would never put it into neutral because I wasn't sure if I was going to get out of it. And actually, when I was on my course, I just thought it was the bikes there. I'd be in neutral, try to pop into first, and the class would be going on and I couldn't get my bike out. And they'd say you have to roll it forward in order to get out of that first, which I thought was kind of weird because I don't think that's very practical when you're at a stoplight to roll it backward or forward. I don't know if that's the same way in any other bike, but it definitely is in the 300 series here. So I'm in neutral here, it won't go again. So here, stomp down on it, quick let go of the clutch, it goes in, and then I can go. It's a little annoying, honestly.
I was behind a Walmart near the end of the day, nobody there, and all of a sudden this car pulls up that's from out of province. This lady comes out of the car, so I hop in. It just looks sketchy because she's looking up at the Walmart and there's no door, there's no window, there's nothing there. I don't know what the heck she was doing there. Anyway, I had my phone out so it looked like I was calling or doing something, and luckily she got in and left.
Sometimes when you're trying to plug it in into neutral to first, you can't. So I'm trying to push it into first, but it won't. And the way I fix that is to do this. So sometimes when I'm at the light, press it down, hold it, and then let out the clutch a little bit until you feel the click. There we go. And then now the bike's in first.
And there it is. The whole operation actually just takes about half a second to do. It's just a little extra step that is annoying, but again, I don't know what's the problem. It's just the gears are out of mesh or something like that when you're trying to pop it into first and it won't go. But anyway, this is my quick fix, and I hope you enjoyed, and most of all, I hope it helps out. Ride safe.